What happens when AI surpasses human intelligence? It's a question that's been haunting us for decades, and one that's becoming increasingly relevant as AI models continue to improve at an exponential rate. Google Gemini 2.0 Pro, the latest AI model from Google, is no exception. With its unprecedented power and capabilities, it's changing the game for businesses and individuals alike. But what are the darker secrets behind this AI success? As we delve into the world of Google Gemini 2.0 Pro, we'll explore the uncharted territories of its cutting-edge architecture and uncover the truth behind its latest update. From its potential impact on the job market to its capabilities in areas such as natural language processing and computer vision, we'll leave no stone unturned. Join us as we explore the mysteries of Google Gemini 2.0 Pro and discover what the future holds for this revolutionary AI.
So, what exactly is Google Gemini 2.0 Pro? In simple terms, it's a type of neural network that's designed to perform a wide range of tasks, from answering complex questions to generating creative content. But what sets it apart from other AI models is its ability to learn and improve at an exponential rate, making it a game-changer for businesses and individuals alike. One of the key features of Google Gemini 2.0 Pro is its use of a new type of neural network architecture called the transformer. This architecture allows the AI to process and analyze vast amounts of data in parallel, making it incredibly fast and efficient. But what does this mean for the job market? As AI models like Google Gemini 2.0 Pro become increasingly capable, there's a growing concern that they could replace human workers in various industries. Is this a valid concern? Or is it just a fear of the unknown?
As we continue to explore the world of Google Gemini 2.0 Pro, we'll examine the controversy surrounding its potential impact on the job market. From the perspective of business owners and entrepreneurs, AI models like Google Gemini 2.0 Pro offer a cost-effective and efficient way to automate various tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more high-level tasks. But what about the human workers themselves? Will they be replaced by AI? Or will they adapt and find new roles in the workforce?
To answer this question, we need to look at the broader context of the job market and the impact of AI on various industries. While it's true that AI models like Google Gemini 2.0 Pro can automate certain tasks, they also have the potential to create new job opportunities in areas such as AI development, deployment, and maintenance. The key is to adapt and find new ways to work alongside AI, rather than fearing its replacement.
As we approach the end of our journey into the world of Google Gemini 2.0 Pro, we need to consider the future impact of this revolutionary AI on society as a whole. From education to healthcare, AI models like Google Gemini 2.0 Pro have the potential to transform various industries and improve lives in countless ways. But what are the potential risks and challenges associated with this transformation?
One of the key challenges facing AI development is the issue of bias and transparency. As AI models become increasingly complex, it's becoming increasingly difficult to understand how they make decisions and arrive at conclusions. This lack of transparency can lead to biased decision-making and unfair outcomes, which can have serious consequences in areas such as healthcare and finance.
So, what can we do to mitigate these risks and ensure that AI models like Google Gemini 2.0 Pro are developed and deployed in a responsible and transparent manner? The answer lies in the development of new AI safety protocols and regulations that prioritize transparency, accountability, and fairness.
As we conclude our journey into the world of Google Gemini 2.0 Pro, we've uncovered some of the most shocking secrets behind this revolutionary AI. From its cutting-edge architecture to its potential impact on the job market, we've explored the uncharted territories of this groundbreaking AI model. Join us next time as we continue to explore the exciting world of AI and its potential to transform our lives in countless ways. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content and updates on the latest breakthroughs in the world of artificial intelligence.